Hello guys, welcome to a new episode of Car Loop TV. In this episode, we're changing the steering wheel on my car. This is my standard R steering wheel. It's a flat bottom and it is leather with a old white stitch, which is not quite white anymore. There's nothing wrong with this steering wheel at all. It's in perfect condition. It's not as soft and supple as when it was new. And today we are at Royal Steering Wheels in Aylesbury and we're going to get this swapped over. I've already had it made and I'll give you a surprise. Hopefully there'll be a surprise for what it ends up being. But let's get over there and go and see the guys. Look at that Rover. The Texaco livery, that looks well cool.
Okay, cool.
Just remind me, are you Jack?
Yes.
I've met you before, I couldn't remember, it's been a long time ago.
Yeah, which car did you come with?
I had a white M3 before. That's what you might remember. We are at Royal Steering Wheels HQ, and this is Jack.
Hello, welcome. Come over, I'll show you your new one.
So we've got a load of steering wheels here. So you guys, and you did this with the M3 as well, you exchange. So I pay you a deposit, you then trim me a wheel,
Yes,
and at my convenience I come down here and then you just swap the wheel over.
Yes, you use the car daily, so the core exchange option was the more suitable for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I think...
Because I personally, when I first was going to get a steering wheel done, I thought, well, how can I do without my wheel for like a couple of weeks? And how do I get it to you? So when you suggested the first time around that you do an exchange, I thought that was great. I thought, yeah, that's the way to do it.
Yeah,
so this
there are some classics, like, for example, this Evo 10, when the car is, in storage, so we also have customers coming to us, dropping the wheel to be done. And this one is going to be in original style. But yeah, when it comes to yours, it's already done.
Yeah.
Let me get it out.
Okay, this is the moment. Look at all these wheels, guys. I wonder if any of my viewers have guessed what I've gone for.
Here we go, that's the beauty. Just prep for you. See the blue.
The colour of the stitching's perfect. I'm happy with that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm well happy
Full
with that.
Alcantara. Top
Can I just touch
quality.
him? Can I just
Yeah.
touch him? Oh. And you know what? I think at the time when I got my last one, you did give me a little bit of a demonstration of, or you explained how to look after it. And I did do that. And it was quite strange because I'd had the wheel on the car for about 6 years. And after about 3 years, I hadn't really looked after it that well. I'd kept it clean, not greasy hands as much as possible, but it does get sticky.
Yes, so it doesn't require a lot of maintenance.
No.
But it has to be regular, it's a quick clean every 2-4 weeks, just with a warm cloth, nicely just to pick up the oils, the sweat. Then just wipe it around with the dry Alcantara, and yeah, it will keep its beauty. It will have a nice, fluffy feel, and yeah.
And the difference it makes driving a car with a nice steering wheel, it really is such a tactile thing. I've seen how people take these apart, and you're taking the leather off, you're taking it back to the base, aren't you? And then you're putting foam in it, and you're putting new Alcantara over that in place of the leather. Do you put this over the leather, or do you take all of that off?
On BMWs, of course, all the leather is removed because it's a quite chunky wheel.
Yeah.
So yeah, the old one is removed, padding is replaced, and covered with a new leather. On this one, the leather has just been cleaned, slightly sanded down.
Okay.
And then covered over. That's why you have still nice normal.
Yeah.
Otherwise, would be way too thin. So,
Okay. So thank you very much. So what we're going to do now? Get this on the car.
Yeah, let's start the fitting process. Of course, you can see we do the core exchange. So all your paddles, plastic trim, airbag will be just transferred over from your old wheel.
Yeah.
So yeah, we show all that as well. So yeah.
Do you need to disconnect the battery or anything?
No, on this one no.
No.
Just need your key.
Here's the key.
Cool.
Now it has got extensions to the, and they're stuck on. There's no screws behind those,
That's
I
no
don't
problem.
believe. So
yeah, they come off together.
yeah.
So.
Jack's just now removing the steering wheel for us, so we can get all the centre part off. I wasn't sure if you did much with VWs, but you obviously do, don't you?
Yeah, it's quite popular car for us.
And you
This
said
wheel the same wheel is fitted on a Polo and Golf.
I was going to ask you that actually. Yeah.
So typical BMW nut spline M12. We leave the wheel dead straight, so the new one goes exactly in the same position.
Lovely.
Cool. Yeah.
That may have never been off.
Cool.
Here we have the new one and the old one.
So that's it really, yeah. Your trims are out. Nice, no contact point, so everything's good. That's how it should be. See here, you guys have to, whoever does the fitting himself, to be quite careful not to leave the trim too high, because the little tiny connectors, the paddles are still attached to the panel.
Yeah.
So just gently, and then disconnecting those connectors here, and we are just left with the paddles. Easy job.
I did wonder where the screws for those were.
Yes, you were thinking about your extension. They stay as they are. We don't have to do anything with them.
Good. So that's the end of that wheel now. That's now.
The old wheel. Old core
Goodbye,
we
wheel.
use for somebody else. And, this is yours back. Yeah. Yeah. And then just needs to be fully pushed in. Cool.
And a cleaning service as well. This is great. So we're back to the car now. Let me just get my keys out of my pocket. And there we go. Wheel is going back in the car.
Yeah, and this one to go back.
It's
back
beautiful.
on.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, we can show the details. Nice even stitching. A lovely blue.
That's why I come to you.
we'll
And the blue matches the needles on the dash here as well. Blue is the theme on an R, isn't it? So
yeah, in the future you can make yourself the gear gator.
yeah.
Just with the matching blue stitching.
Yeah, I think I probably like
that.
that.
Will be a nice set.
Yeah.
Cool.
Next mods.
So wheel in place. Let's put the main board on. Right torque, and then the airbag goes back in, and job done. Yeah, everything is connected. And yeah.
Brilliant.
Yes. And
Jack, you're the man. I appreciate you doing that.
that's the one, all for you. Cool.
And for anyone else looking for a steering wheel for their car, come and see Jack at Royal Steering Wheels.
Yeah, always welcome. Whoever needs one. Yeah, we've got the website. We've got the quite easy.
It was very easy actually. You upload some pictures of your wheels, so Jack knows what you have. He'll then give you a quote, and then you say yes or no.
You can choose the three type of service. You can book your wheel to be retrimmed, or you can book the core exchange. Core exchange we do by post or fitting service, and yeah, it's easy. The inquiry takes a couple minutes, and we come back to you with all the details. And yeah.
And like me, if you don't get an answer back from Jack, check your junk file on your email, because
did it happen with you?
yeah, it was in my spam folder, and that's why you followed up. And then in the end, I called you and said, why haven't you? You had.
Yeah. So.
It was my fault, but that's complete. Very happy with that. Oh yeah, guys, that feels really good. I mean, this stitching is is absolutely perfect, and it's so soft. I'm really, really happy with this. Thanks, Jack.
Cool. Pleasure.
But that's brilliant. I really appreciate you participating in that, mate. So there we go, guys. That's the end of the video. I hope you like this steering wheel as much as I do. I'm now going to look forward to driving home with a lovely, lovely steering wheel. Thank you very much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Guys, I'm now going to enjoy my drive back home with a nice fluffy steering wheel. Over and out.